Hi, this is Cheryl of Majestic Wire Artworks with part 2 of the Beebeecraft tutorial for this beautiful starfish lampwork bead pendant. And what I was doing before my phone kicked me out and I figured out what happened is I hadn't deleted my old videos, so I didn't have enough memory space. I apologize. So I've got that all cleared up, and we're just going to continue on. I will have all the links in the description to all the videos. I apologize. Okay. There. Okay. Nice and smooth. You might want to do yours a little bit longer and curl it in. But no, this works just fine. Okay, so now, before we move on any further, you want to check your weaving. Make sure it's nice and even. I see this one loop sticking out further. I am just going to push on that. There. And I'm going to have the wire swirling around here, so that one will probably be disguised. But there. And it just makes it look that much more professional and finished. Okay, so you see how we locked the bead in? We made the wire move to the back. Now I want you to take that wire, and this is going to lock the weaving in place. We're going to go forwards, and then we're going to the left, and we're going to do a swirl over the weave. Now you got to hold everything in place as you swirl. Okay, and it's going to be like that. And then we don't want to cover too much of the bead, but we can cover a little bit. Okay, and that's just going to hold the bead in place. We're going to make another swirl going the exact same direction. A little bit over here. Okay, like that. And it's nice when they split apart. So I'm just going to split it apart like this. Because I want it a little bit. Oh, we can worry about that later too. And now I want to swirl it about right there, going the opposite direction, to the right instead of to the left now. So right here. Okay, like that. And then an exaggerated curl here so that we get, see how that works? Okay. And I want to wrap it in here, around between those two, and end up right here.